This is the new Acura Integra Type S HRC prototype that is way lighter than the standard car and has a monster wing. What's good, guys? Welcome back to Ron's Rise, welcome back to the channel, and welcome back to another video where, like its Honda Civic R sibling, the Acura Integra Type S has proven itself to be a solid performer and clearly eager to give owners more scope for personalization. Acura has previewed a series of street and track focused parts that it may offer to the public with the Integra Type S HRC prototype. Now, the special parts debuting at Monterey Car Week have been developed with the help of engineers from Honda Racing Corporation, or HRC, and take inspiration from the elements of the Integra Type S TCX race car. Curiously, Acura only describes them as potential parts that could be launched in the future. So if you're an Integra Type S owner and like what you see, make sure you let Acura know. The parts start on the aero front, where its overhauled front fascia adds to the already aggressive looks of the sedan with a new bumper and splitter that contrasts the bright Indy yellow pearl paint scheme. Now, the cooling ducts have also been enlarged, the hood rocks a set of extra vents, and Acura has fitted a set of forged 19-inch wheels wrapped in Pirelli P0 Trofeo R tires. Custom-built aluminum HRC badges add a bit of flair, and while the front of the car is eye-catching, the rear is even more outlandish, where it includes a towering carbon fiber rear wing with aluminum uprights. There's plenty more carbon fiber too. For example, the car has a carbon hood, rear doors, and one-piece Recaro bucket seats. Now, like for most driver-focused sports cars, the rear seats have been ditched, and sitting in their place is a carbon fiber shelf that can support 4 wheels and tires. Now, the air conditioning can also be deleted. And perhaps the most impressive thing about the prototype is that Acura has sprinkled some magic dust under the hood. The 2-liter turbocharged 4-cylinder gets a larger intercooler, twin oil coolers, and a tuned, lightweight catback exhaust. Unfortunately, no horsepower or torque figures have been quoted. Now, further adding to the car's performance are coilovers, an adjustable rear anti-roll bar, and adjustable front and rear camber plates. New brakes, including 15-inch 2-piece front rotors and 16-piston Brembo calipers, complement the engine and suspension modifications. There's even larger air ducts to keep the brakes nice and cool. But that's all we know about the HRC performance and what this prototype offers when it comes to exciting parts for the Integra Type S. So I want to know what you guys think. Should Acura put this Integra Type S HRC prototype into production or offer these parts worldwide? Drop those comments down below. What do you guys think? And if you guys did enjoy the video today, make sure you give it a big thumbs up, but make sure you guys subscribe to the channel and click that notification bell so you do not miss one video. And with that said, you guys be blessed, have a great day, and we will talk to you guys in the next video. Peace.